Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 2006 C4500 Kodiak. It's got the Duramax in it. It's finished in silver with a black interior. Running boards. It's got a 50-gallon reserve tank in the bed as well. So it's about 90 or 100 gallons. It's got the fifth wheel hitch and the regular hitch in the back. So you'll tow a house down. Runs and drives great. It's got 111,000 miles. Aluminum wheels. Air ride. Ready to roll. Race car, trailer, toter home, whatever you can throw at it. Sides well appointed. Leather all the way around. Got the carbon fiber dress-up kit. DVD. I couldn't get it to turn on though. There it is, 111,887 miles. CD, trailer brake. It's got a Trax 2 fuel monitoring system. Super nice shape. It's got a bench in the back, folds down to a bed, which is cool. Got this recline mode and also full mode. It literally folds into a bed. Get the point. Rear sliding window. A lot of room, super comfortable. Oh, that's just DVDs. Nice shape. It's got the Alpine DVD, but I couldn't figure out how to turn it on. Looks like it's got power. There she is. Big Duramax. Runs great. Starts every time. Super reliable. Great motor. Quiet. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. Smash that subscribe button. Check out my website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.